Hi beautiful people, thank you for tuning in. My name is Lucy and today we are going to make wild garlic infused salt. So I've got my bag of wild garlic. I wish you could smell it. It's really strong smell, but yeah, it smells garlicky. And if you don't know what wild garlic look like in the nature, you can check my video above. So I've got here wonderful pink salt, and I'm gonna rinse and wash my garlic properly. Please make sure you harvest it leaf by leaf, because you can come across lords and ladies or lily of the valley. So you don't want anything else apart from wild garlic leaves. So make sure go through it properly. If you don't know what you're doing, make sure you've got someone who knows what they are doing. And okay, I'm gonna wash it, then I'm gonna slice it. Many people do it with sea salt. I prefer pink salt instead, so it's up to you, your preferences. And then I just put it in blender, mix it together, and then I put it on tray, and you can either leave it air dry or you can put it in your oven or dehydrator. It's really up to you. And then you store it in glass jars and you can use it during the year. I think I will also make some sort of wild garlic powder. I make my own seasoning, so I think this will be one of my new seasoning as well. It's really good to make it as gifts as well. So if you don't know what to give for birthdays or maybe for Christmas, get it when it is in season, and then you can make nice thoughtful presents. Okay, it's been washed and I find some ivy leaves in it, so be really careful. As I said, even though I was collecting it by one bun, you can always get something else in it. So sort it out properly, wash it, then I roughly chop it, and now I'm gonna put it in blender, and I will make some layers with garlic and salt, and just pulse it and make it into paste. Okay, here we go. So I've got sort of layering, and then let's do the pulsing. Look at that. I've got still few bits there. I'm gonna leave it like that, and I'm gonna mix it with fresh salt as well, and it will be the final product. Okay, this is what I've got from blender, and I'm gonna mix it with fresh salt, and that's it. This is the final product, and I'm gonna make a little experiment. So basically I put something in the dehydrator, and I will try to air dry the rest. So let's see. Here we go. This goes to dehydrator. And this one I will leave air dry. Here we go. This is the final result. I'm gonna put it in mason jars and use it throughout the year. So get out, go wild, and get some wild garlic. Thank you so much for tuning in. Bye until next time.